Hi everyone, my name is T and I'm back. And in celebration of my baby boy, we have some blue Takis, deep fried seafood. We have some king crab legs, some lobster tail, some shrimp, and boiled fried eggs. And you know, so we can take a shot though. I have some special tequila tonight. You know, some on your right. Come up, we take a shot and come up with yum. So first of all, this is what we're gonna do. I have some strawberry margarita. We're gonna put half of it in here. Come still lighting. Here's a shot to everybody that's been holding me down while I've been gone. Here's to my baby boy. And here's to all of you guys. Here's to all of the new moms and my sister who in the last video held down this channel. Whew. Let's start with the king crab first. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's spicy. So this is the blue toffee, y'all. It's good, but it's spicy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's seeds. Forget about it. With full star chopped. Mm. 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 My daughter name is Mia. What? I have two daughters, Mia and Rain, And my last one, my son. Who wanna guess his name? Guess my son's name in the comment below. At the end of the video, y'all will meet him, okay? Mama eat my egg. But now like liquor kicking. I'm gonna take another shot. Take another shot from my son. Mm. Mmm. That's good. Mm. Mm-hmm. One more for my son, okay? One little one for my son. Meet my son. Here, y'all gonna meet my son at the end of the video. Y'all already met my daughter. It's time to meet my son. When I said T, your sister's not as extra as you. Listen, I'm always like an extra. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This video is not gonna be long. Mm. I haven't done mukbangs in a while, so I can't eat too much, but my back. Next time I eat enough. Mm. Mm, mm, I miss y'all. Okay, I'm done. Let's meet my son.
I'm trying to chill.
I'm gonna drop it, baby. Okay. bowl on the Carter. I'm one turn him head the way I'm one turn him head. So Carter and I are gonna end the video. As always, your time is your most valuable currency, and you chose to spend it with me. Thanks.